This house is interesting. They have a balcony, a screened-in balcony across the whole top of the house. So I'm headed into this estate sale. It is the last day of the sale and it looks packed. So let's go see what we can find, see if we can get some good deals.
More than half off everything.
All right, everything is half off. Oh, I have one of these. I can't remember where it's at right now in my house. It's cute. Got some chairs. I like these. Tape measure. This box. Alright, we get this. And this one, I could just put it in a little vignette. I don't think I'm gonna get these. I don't know what y'all think. You know what? Let's get them. I like to clip pictures and florals to these and they look really cute. I get excited when they have colored ones, but this one kind of looks like brass. It's pretty. Some drawings.
I don't know what it does. Some of the stuff is scattered and all it goes. Take it off there.
All right, let's go look in the house. Here's a little extra room in the garage. Looks like they have lots of screws and nails and stuff like that. Oh, this box is cute. It's a good size too. Look at this. All right, we are inside the house. This is the kitchen area. Oh, I love the color of this picture. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. It's $45. It'd be half off today. I'm gonna think about it. What is this? This looks like Spode China. It is. 150 for 16 pieces. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's a number 6 crock. $75. Number 4. This one is, that gotta be $125. Do I need a number 6 crock? I just bought another one the other day, so I have 2 of them now. I like the number 6s because there's 6 people in our family. Oh my gosh, look at this basket lampshade. Oh, I need this in my life. I don't want this. Oh, it's $195. No, y'all, I love this lampshade. In the pictures, they had some really cool furniture here. I know what this is, but I forget. It's some kind of cutter. Look at these. It's candles. Oh, this little ladder piece right here. That probably goes outside for our plants. It's $35. I didn't even see this guy right here. Okay. It's a coffee grinder, $45. Like this candle base, $12. Got a bunch of baby shoes and rocks. Oh, love kids artwork. These things are interesting. They have this one hanging up right here. They have this one right here. Do y'all know what these are? This mixing bowl is so pretty, but it has lots of chips on the spout. It's $30 as is. I don't know what y'all think. Should I get it or leave it? Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
I was wondering. Do not go anywhere because we are about to come across the most precious piece of furniture for my house, and I'm actually going to show you where I ended up putting it. But first, I want to tell y'all about my next Would Not sale, which is going to be at my usual date and time, Thursdays at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. And if you've never been on Would Not before, this is your sign, because if you scan the QR code on my screen or you use the link in my description, you're going to get a $15 coupon to use on your first purchase. And it does not have to be on my sale. It could be on anybody's sale on Whatnot. If you have no clue what Whatnot is, y'all come check it out. It's so much fun. It's an app where all day long they have different auctions going on, anything and everything you could be interested in. And y'all, Christmas is coming up. I guarantee you most of my Christmas shopping will be on Whatnot, because you can search for the items you are looking for. You can find them in the buy it now, where you can just go and buy it, or you can find it coming up in an auction, and you can get amazing things for the best prices ever. So definitely come over to Whatnot, check it out, and for sure, come hang out with me on Thursday. If you're watching this at a later date, be sure to come over and follow me, because I have sales every single week. So I will see y'all over there. Now let's get back to our thrifting adventure. Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
I was wondering, this lamp over here, would y'all be willing to just sell the lampshade, you think? Because I love the lampshade, but I do not like the bottom part at all.
I'm thinking she's going to say no, but I'll ask for you.
Okay, great. Thank you. This little desk is adorable, $300, and they just changed it. Everything is now 65% off.
1 second, I got it.
Look at this bench, how cute. Y'all, this will look so good in my house, and they said it's only $35. So I think this is just something that I can't say no to. It's precious. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. This piece is interesting. Little picture, no markings on it, $16. I like it. I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, since they just lowered the prices, I think I'm gonna get this crock and the number 6. Okay, never mind. I'm not getting the number 6. It's full of all of this sticky stuff, and I'm not sure if it will come off, so I'm just gonna pass. All right, I'm doing my second lap around the house. You're not gonna believe what I just found. Look at this stamp set. And I believe all of the pieces are here, including the ink pad. I don't know. I didn't see a price on this, so I'm not sure how much it is. Let me turn it upside down, see if it's on the back. $35. Yes, I'm getting this. All right, on upstairs now, there's a lot of people, so I'm gonna film the best I can. It's a beautiful chest. Lane. $225, half price. Oh, that is beautiful, but I don't need a chest. Oh, look, the little kid's artwork pillow. It's precious. Linens. These are pretty. Full queen as is, $65. Oh my gosh, look at this precious little lamp. Another beautiful piece of furniture. I did not see a price on this one, so it might be sold. Oh wait, here it is. $2.95. Here's a doll collection. Oh my gosh. Okay, I might need this one. Here's some more tiger figurines. Oh my gosh, I have this, and I kept it to decorate for the 4th of July. So I feel like I should get one for y'all, right? This house keeps going and going. Oh, there's another set of stairs that goes outside. Still upstairs. Here's the roof. She said there was 5 bathrooms just upstairs. Christmas stuff. Glossy white Santa, candle holder. Here's another one of those pictures. Look, here's a smaller one. I see some cute small books. Okay, I need all of these. This house is huge. It just keeps going and going. I don't know what this area is. That leads back to upstairs. This leads outside. Okay, this must have been where the laundry was. Here's another room back here. I don't know how many rooms is in this house, y'all. There's a lot. Unfortunately, where I live, they do not have older homes like this. I would have loved to have bought a house like this and refinished it. All right, I am happy. I got a bench. I just need to get some new knobs for it. I got a crock for $7, y'all, and I filled up my IKEA bag. I got lots of doilies. I like to use those to create vignettes. This piece, lots of books. I can't remember if I showed y'all this or not, but I got this box of blocks, and then I think this was the find of the day, y'all. I don't know what I paid for it, what it was, $35, so 65% off of that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I don't know if I should sell these all individually or keep the set together. Y'all let me know what y'all think. One more thing I want to show y'all. In some areas it was kind of hard to film in the house, but look at this linen. I think it was like a table runner or something, but it has a stamp on it. And then look at the ends. Wouldn't this be the most beautiful lumbar pillow? I'm pretty sure this is linen right here. I love this. So imagine this turn into a pillow going across this bench. Amazing. I decided to put the bench in my bedroom, and it is so precious and the perfect size to put along a king size bed, but it is absolutely the wrong color. So I think I would like to strip it and see what color it comes out, and maybe just seal it up, or I could put some antiquing wax on it, because I feel like these end tables really go good with my black bed. And it also has shades of brown, so it does go good with brown items, just not this one. It's not the right shade. But for $35, I do not mind putting a little extra time and work into this piece to make it perfect. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoyed today's thrifting adventure. I was honestly just so excited to actually be able to find stuff and get a video for y'all, because I feel like that's been far and few between lately, and I was very excited to find a piece of furniture for my house. There's lots of other spaces that need something, but it just takes time, because I'm just looking for the right piece, the special piece, something that I'm just gonna absolutely love and, you know, be unique in my home. So I love this bench. I just need new knobs and I need to strip it, which I'm not looking forward to. Y'all hold me accountable and make sure I do that. I feel like I will, because it's totally the wrong color and I'm only going to be able to live with it for so long, and I really do not want to paint it. I want to bring back that natural, beautiful wood. So anyway, y'all let me know what is y'all favorite item that I found today, and all the items except for the bench and the crock, I believe, are going to be in my would not sale. So y'all come join me Thursday over there. Bye guys, I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. I was editing the video and I realized I never told y'all about the lampshade. So they would not separate out the set and just sell me the lampshade, which is fine. I totally get it, but it was going to be $65 because I think it was $195 for the lamp and the lampshade, and with 65% off, it was still $65, and I just decided to pass on it, because although I loved it, I don't actually have a lamp for it. Don't know exactly where I was going to put it. Now, if it was $10, you know, $5, it would have came home with me and just been up in my attic until I found a spot for it or redonated. But for $65, I decided to pass on it.